Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. In additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 27th, 2023, already solved 3 puzzles, the 2-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this one will be number 666 3. No, 4. Yeah, almost made a mistake. 6664. And this one has 11 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. We don't know. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 11. And it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Duo boxes. Next question. Do we have here in this puzzle duo boxes? Cannot see any duo boxes. How about triple boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, we have here a triple box. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. In this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Alright. More triple boxes. No. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here we have also a quadra box. Well, the numbers could be everywhere. So we need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, that you need to recognize. The first shape, let me see. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More. We have more here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the other shape, the last shape for this puzzle that you need to recognize is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. Those 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So, and those 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3, because if I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here or there. Yeah. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. 1. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 here. So it cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, and this box can be a 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then, well, this box can be a 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 here. That box can be a 5. But also this box can be a 5. Suppose this is a 5, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here in this area. So here can be a 5, there can be a 5, and here can be a 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area. Should be there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It should be there. Then. Yeah. These two boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. And should be there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. And should be there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Here also 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright. And now. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5 is connected with this box. Should be also 4 and 5. Alright. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this quadro box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, okay. Come on. No 5. 5 should be here. 45. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and the 4 here. 3, 4, 2. Well, I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. 4, 3. This box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And I need a 2 here. 2 could be here, could be there. I need to think. Need a 5 here. Come on. 1, 3, 4. This box cannot be a 1, can be 3, can be 4, 2 or 5 here. 2 or 5. Alright. 1, 2, 4, 3. Come on. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and 5. Here, 1 number left in this quarter box for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, now, here I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be there. So the 3, 4, and the 5 are left. 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. 4 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. Need a 3 here in this W area shape. Well, this box can be 3 because we have a 3 here. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be also 5. Is connected also with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and the final number in this area for number 4. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but more than 50 minutes I need, otherwise it will be 1 star. Alright, I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.